Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy and happy New Year's Eve to everybody. This is the last day of 2020. We are going to do our daily stock update. And the first stock we're going to be looking at is TSNP on the 30-minute time frame. So today we were down almost 8%. We were hugging support on this trend line for the last 2 days, but we did close the day out by dropping into it. Post-market, we are down a little bit as well. So next week, I do look forward to more ping-ponging within this channel. Be patient, TSNP investors, because this channel does go on for about another week. So we'll get a better sense of direction going into the next 2-3 weeks where the stock should be going. But with the prospects it has, with the news that should be coming forward, I do expect to see some catalysts that will bring this share price higher than we are today. So that is TSNP today on the 30-minute time frame. Second stock of the day is GOEV, Canoo stock. And again, this is all we have seen since I've been covering this stock is red, blood red. It's been dripping. Today we finally tagged this bottom line of support that I had mentioned earlier. So those of you who were waiting to get in, now could be a good opportunity to open up a position for those trying to make a swing play, because the gap to fill has been filled. As you can see, when I say gap to fill, we went from about 1358 all the way up to about 1720. So this gap now has filled. Personally, I still am not getting into the stock. I just feel like we have yet to see any buyers come in. We are hanging on the line of support right now. Next line of support we are looking at is about 1219, 1220-ish. Stay patient with this one. We have yet to see an opportunity to get in. We are getting closer. Volume has been decreasing. So I think next week should be an alright week for GOEV. I think the worst that we've seen has happened, and now we are slowly going to start to consolidate and maybe even potentially start to bounce back a little bit. So again, that is GOEV on the daily time frame. Third stock on the day is Cannabix Technologies. So as you guys know, I did get a position here at 66 cents. And today we actually ended off very nicely as we saw a little bit of nice buying come in here at the end of the market. So that's what I like to see going into a weekend. We were on support for the last 2 days and it was good to see us bounce back up. So now I am looking forward to a test of the top of this wedge and hopefully a breakthrough next week. Fourth and final stock of the day, RDGL, Vivos Inc. on the 30-minute time frame. This is one of my favorite penny stocks, and I'm very excited to see what happens with this one moving forward. Today was a really great day, in my opinion. We were up another 5%, but the biggest thing was that we did break above the top part of this wedge. So I am looking forward to see what we do come into next week. This pattern does expire on the 6th, so there are a couple more trading days to see where we will head. And as of right now, we are on top of the wedge, and I really like to see that. So in my opinion, we are looking bullish, but again, we do need a catalyst to bring us over the top. Otherwise, we will stay in this consolidation phase. So those of you interested, Vivos did send in their FDA application for their breakthrough device last night. So that could have been a bullish catalyst we've seen today. Nonetheless, they are going to get a response from FDA sometime in the middle of January, so I am looking for a pre-anticipatory run until then. So I'm very excited to see where this stock heads next week. Again, RDGL up about 5% today. Pandemic aside, I hope all of you guys had a great 2020, a good year of growth, a good year of reflection. If you guys like this update, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.